When it comes to replacing your SIEM, being able to have easy access to all your data in a central location is key. That's when security data lakes come into play. This is important not just to monitor your environment for security incidents, but it is also to cover your auditing and compliance use cases. Hunters empowers you to build out a complete data lake strategy by ingesting data from one of our hundreds of pre-built integrations, or simply configure ingestion from a custom data source within minutes. Bringing all your data into the data lake is very useful, but Hunters give you the ability to go one step further. Within Hunters, you can leverage this data in the notebooks features for querying, building dashboards for reporting, or creating custom detectors for the unique security use cases of your organization, on top of the pre-built detection content that comes with Hunters. Directly in Hunters platform, you can easily ingest any data you wish, even if the data is coming from disparate sources. In the data source page, simply choose the custom data source. Connect the bucket and the data will flow into Hunters. After the data starts to ingest, you can configure your desired custom analytics. Even if you ingest complex objects, Hunters can run analytics on top. With these new capabilities, you can now use Hunters as a one-stop shop for all of your data. It is very simple to ingest data, even from unique sources, and keep it available to actually be used when you need it.